Good day, madam. Our group today will present about the human-computer interaction system. Our group system is Pocket, money management web application. Our group is group 11. Our group member have Huang Shixing, Li Xuanqian, Liao Wanqing, and Nishop Kumar Saudana, Analagi Saudana Vinayagra. In our slide, have introduction, literature review, design process, and demonstration. First, I will present about the introduction. Our system criteria is development and interaction game or mobile application or any system or website that focus on user interface design. Our group designed to develop a money management web application named Pocket. The system is developed to suit all groups of people who want to track their expense flow. Our problem statement is used to manually jot down the expenses on paper or tally books. Use Microsoft Excel spreadsheet to record the income and outcome. And the last is incomplete functions in money management web application. Next, I will pass to my partner.
Next, I will talk about the objective of our project. First, design a money management web application using object-oriented approach. Develop a money management web application using web-based approach. Help users manage their money and expense via web application. Next, foster finance management habit among people. Design an attractive user interface system to provide better user interface. And the last, test the functionality and usability of developed web application. For the scope, first is help user manage their money via browser in smartphone or computers which support web application system with good internet connection. Next, focus on its interface which helps user to understand every point and function of the following application that provides a simplistic and efficient overall graphic user interface throughout the user experience. And the web function module are log into their account, input expense according to its expense categories, generate monthly financial report, set budget for every month, and mini game. Next, I will pass to my friend.
Next is the literature review. The competitive analysis is carried out to identify and evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of the competitors based on the design principle, such as visibility, mapping, feedback, consistency, affordances, and constraints. Next. Design process. First, we have carried out the task analysis. It's used to present in two ways. One of the way is textual representation and graphical view. Next. This is the task analysis in the textual presentation. Next. This is the task analysis in the graphical view. And next, I will pass to Nishop.
Okay, this is our functional requirement for our website. Our system should allow users to register an account or log in to an existing account. The system should also allow users to choose the type of income or outcome and input its amount. The system should also allow users to delete or edit the data of every income or outcome. and our system should be able to generate the monthly financial report for users. And lastly, the system should be able to run mini games too. Next. And this is our non-functional requirement for our website. First is operational requirements. The system should be compatible with any web browser and runnable on any device. Second is a performance requirement, which is our system should be able to load a page within a few seconds. Next is our usability requirements, which our system interface is easy to navigate and the features and its functional, the systems are easy to determine. Fourth, lastly, the security requirements. The system requires users to log in to an account to access the data and display their following profiles. Next. Next is our system demonstration.
So this is the website for the Pocket Money Management web application. First, the user can see the logo of the web application and the menu option like home, about, feature, and login. Then user can see our slogan for the web application, which is best solution for your personal finance. And then user can choose to log in or register a new account. Then user can create the about to direct go to the about us for view the introduction for the website, and also they can create the features to view the features in the web application. And for this part, the user can see the function in the web application, such as can record the incomes and outcomes, and can set out a monthly budget and view the graph for the incomes and outcomes. Then user can click the arrow button to back to the top. Then user can also click on the logo and the home button to refresh this page. Then if user is using the smartphone, they also can see the menu in this bar. So user can select the option from the menu. Next, I will pass to our group member.
So in next part, I will present about the login and register in the Pocket system. So the user can create the login and register to use this system. So first, the user can create the register to make an account. The user can use the social network or create a Pocket account to register this system. If we create the Google, also can using the Google to log in, or create the Facebook also can. And if the user don't want to use the social network to create an account, the user also can use their own to create the account. This part also can see the password and can register. And user if have an account already, the user can create the sign in, then will go to the login page. Same with the register page, the user also can use the social network account to log in, or if they have on account, also can see the password and also can use their own account to log in. If the user forget the password, also can create this. To fill their detail, their email to find the password, and can back to log in or create an account. So can log in. So I will pass to my partner. Thank you.
Explain about our transaction page. So on our transaction page, it shows our sidebar. And once you click transaction page, over up to the current month, our income, outcome, and our current balance. Oh, alright. So now I'll add the transaction over here for 3rd January. Outcome on rentals, total of 120 ringgit. And once we add that, we can see from our income to our outcome and the total balance on our transaction history. And here we can also delete whatever things we want to edit. And for example, I can delete the rentals and I can also add back it. Okay, now we can also edit our following transaction. Now this is, for example, to edit a transaction based on the transaction history. You can see here I'm trying to edit the incoming transfer. So based on the following date, I can edit it to, for example, another 200. And that's all. And that's all. I will pass to my next group member.
Next, we can view the monthly report generated by the system by click the report option at the sidebar, and we'll see the report analysis for the expense. We'll see the opening balance and ending balance for the current month and the analysis graph of income and outcome and the income categories and the outcome categories. And we can click this to view the financial report for the specific time range. For example, we choose last month, and we can see the financial report for the December. And next, we will go to the budget. We can set our budget for the month by click the add budget button and input an amount. And the budget we enter will show on the page. That's all for me. And I'll pass to the next group member.
So next is the mini game part. So we can click on the mini game option from the menu. Then we will go to the mini game page. So the user can choose to play one of the games. So here we got the ping pong, dive, glider, falling ball, and the coming soon game, which is the Subway Surfer. So the user can choose like they want to play the dice glider. They can click on the game. Then they can start to play. So the score will be displayed on the toggle box, and we can click the OK to continue to play and click the restart. Then the game will start again. So if we want to return to the minigame page, we can click this again. And the last option for the menu page is the logout. So if the user want to quit the web application, they can click the logout button. and it will back to the login page. That's all from our web application Pocket. Thank you.